Welcome students. Standard 2nd, subject EVS, lesson number 4, the importance of keeping water safe. So students, just as food is an important need of our body, so is water an equally important need. The water which we drink must be clean and safe. Then only our health will be safe. So, individually, we should take care that the water does not get polluted. So, as food is important, so water also is equally important. Okay, students? Now we will see what are the causes of water pollution. First, washing clothes near a river or lake. Second, bathing cattle and animals in the river. Third, waste products from the factories and gutters dumped into the river. Fourth, accumulation of water in ponds for a long time. Fifth, drinking water left open. So, because of this, what will happen? Diseases like dysentery, cholera, jaundice, etc. are caused by drinking impure water. So, to avoid these, water should be safely purified and used. Now students, we will see different methods are given below for purifying polluted water. Here, purification of polluted water. First one, to filter the water. So, how you are going to filter the water? Always filter the water. If you fold cotton cloth 2 folds or 3 folds and filter the water, then all the mud and the minute insoluble particles get stuck to the cloth. Besides, you get a ready-made filter in the market which you can use to filter the water, or else fix this filter to the tap to get pure water. Okay students, now next point, methods of filtering water. So what are the methods to filter the water? To make the water clear. So how you are going to make the water clear? We can keep the water in a vessel for a sufficiently long time without moving it. Okay? Till all the mud particles and grains have settled down at the base of the vessel. Then remove the water slowly from the above and use it. If alum is swirled in water, mud particles settle down quickly and the water becomes clear. Swirled means what, student? To mix in a circular movement, so that when you mix it after a long time, what happens? The water becomes clear to drink. So remaining explanation of the lesson we will continue in the next video. Thank you.